What's up, Fort Wayne? Castleman here in the fort, and today we're going to the zoo. My sister. And yeah, it's the 50th anniversary today. It's a little late in the evening, nice and cool weather for it.
Happy celebrating 50 years.
Oh yeah, okay. We're gonna write our names somewhere on this Happy Zoo Day poster for the 50 years. But finding a spot's gonna be a chore. All right, here we go. Bottom right-hand corner. Justin Castleman. Gotta take a drink out of this thing here.
Yum, 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 yum.
All right, here goes the monkeys. The small little monkeys.
See, I got him to look.
Yeah, you did. They're pretty funny. They're like looking around. What's going on? Oh, not much. They're just mind their own business. What's he gonna do? What are you gonna do? Come on, climb up there.
Nope.
Guess not.
It was too hot. They like got like
That was so weird.
Look at his teeth.
and it just opens his mouth. Here you go. Get a better look.
Pretty sure he's sleeping.
Yeah.
Maybe it's an old one.
Maybe. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's
Riding the train.
And then zebras are just...
Sharks. They're coming soon.
They had sharks before.
Yeah, they did. There's a bunch of little fish in here now. That's true. I think those might be,
A school of fish.
well, yeah, school fish.
Pilchard.
Pilchard. Look at all them pilchards. Huge fish. There's a little birdie. She sticks her arm out, it'll land on it. Birdie! Birdie, go land over there. Nope. More interested in the food. See how close we can get. A bird. Oh, you know, just chilling here with the kangaroos. They're pretty chillax. This peacock decides he wants to get some ice cream here at Matilda's Sweet Treats. Yeah, Lauren's over there trying to trap it. Lauren, don't do that. Ooh, it's a misty path. Oh, I feel pretty good. Getting a little toasty. Misters. Can't really even feel it, really. Pretty cool. We're going to the African journey now.
Feed the giraffe.
Yeah, hopefully be able to feed the giraffes.
I hope.
Hopefully. He's like, let me get it. Yeah, the other monkey, it's mine. Fight over it. You're eating it. Uh-oh. They're coming to investigate what's going on. The bigger one.
Here comes another one, honey.
Gonna take over. He's like, it's mine now. Yeah, we all see. Yeah, he looked up. He's like, he was guilty. He looked up to see if anybody was watching. He done did stole it. We're waiting for some more. Where'd they get that? Let's see here. Let's pull this long thing. That's not long enough. That's not long enough, is it?
Here's really big long ones.
Try this. Here you go. Take that one.
You need a longer one.
Oh, where's long? Oh, that guy got it from over there. Here. Can I have it?
Oh, split it in half. There you go.
Hop in my mouth if you want to live.
You don't want to look at me.
Comment down below if you get that reference.
Hey, look at him.
Oh, oh, she's coming this way.
Come this way.
Oh,
Direct it towards your prey and they run off.
yawning.
They left. They went bye-bye. And go see the lion. Tell the wheel bye-bye. I'll show you where he is. He's up
Look
here.
this
You
way.
can see him.
Here's a leopard. He might be close to feeding time or something. He's over by the zookeeper's cage, pacing. I think it would be too easy to hide overnight in the zoo. Like, I mean, there's like bushes everywhere. Just like hide in them. Like lay down between the bushes and the wall right there until the zoo closed. It'd be that easy. But I don't know what you do at the zoo at night. You know?
Break into all the cages.
I don't know.
Pet animals.
Well, you could let loose. You could take your chances and let loose all the big animals. Well, we can't feed the giraffes since they're all the way out there. I mean, there's really no way to tell them, hey, come here. But go feed some goats. Feed some goats. You know, that's basically comparable, right? There's the pony rides, but no ponies. Well, that's good. Good. I got a story about these pony rides here. When I was really young, I was on the pony ride. They're supposed to go twice around. And this pony something was messed up with him. He only went once around. He was like sneezing all the time. Like, what the heck is going on here? So the trainer brought him back out. And the second time we went around, he started sneezing and he just started running. I was like, what the heck? You're not supposed to run. And then I fell off, scraped my arm pretty badly.
I thought it was your leg.
I was bawling my eyes out. No, my arm.
Oh, I remember that though. Hey, you're a big old baby.
Yeah. Who rang the gong? Orangutan Valley. Apparently there's a new baby here. Born November 22nd. Sorry about that. What's up, buddy? How you doing? What's up? Hi, buddy.
Where did the baby go?
They're still down there, I think.
Neither of them have them. Ever.
Wait. Where's the male though? The
Right
female.
there. That's not her.
No, she's still down there by the tree.
And she's still back behind
There's
her.
3 in here.
She's pretty.
I think that might be a guy. I think it's a different.
No, I think it's a girl. There's 2 girls, a guy, and the baby.
Oh.
Oh, there they are.
Where they at? Oh, they're up there. What's he doing over here? Let's see.
You gonna eat it? They don't eat that, do they?
No. They don't eat that.
I don't think so. Maybe. We're gonna come back
Can't
over.
really see. Here goes the daddy swinging in. There it is. Come on, Dad, get out of the way.
Smush him
You're
baby.
crushing him. You're crushing him. Help me. What's he doing?
I don't know. Sniffing her butt.
Oh. There they are, one happy family. We're in the rainforest, making our way through.
I think I got a picture of this one last year.
Oh yeah, what's the one that you drew?
Yeah, it was from this window. Just
Oh, okay. You an artist?
yeah.
Hey, this one a tiger.
I know, isn't it cool? It's like a really big cat.
Alright, that's it from the Fort Wayne Zoo.
Fort Wayne Children's Zoo, 50th year anniversary.
50th year anniversary. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Be sure to subscribe if you like. Alright.
Or not, just kidding.
Hey.